na kay tao ofay hon na kamada tao kipol ka naman po ni malo dito.
Tulog.
Tu lâu rồi mẹ phải ngã lát rồi phao của bà đi. Mama open me tala hui, but I take it as might be privilege. I acknowledge that we are a bar and everyone is accessible to drinks if needs be. Cái ô nga lo ho tao kamataan na. Kita kamalo ke iki ke tao ko to pe pa na tao mo uyo ta te asia ho pa ko pa ko. Ikaya ha dia se unga. Ihe ang ofufu lupe and I back if we're on live and the responsible one. Dahil lupe pau o Puerto Rico.
Hey, tuwe.
12 fa. Yeah, papita iki ngahi leadership ko to pe takingawe ihe fonua family. Kaya kau me pa o society. Kamalo lahi kia e peritayone ngahi tokon ko to pe mo support. Ngahi tui o mau pahoko tui irrespective of genders. I acknowledge presence of the executive members, TLA, EP. Everyone else, I'm sorry I don't have the appropriate words and or names. CCP Kaungakawatu Kagmauiheng. I would also like to acknowledge the contestants that participate in this year's Miss Galaxy competition. What a function, and it will be remembered. I've forgotten how long TLA has survived, but I would like to say something. I did participate in developing TLA's first strategic plan. So here I am, back and running for everyone. Ofalahiyatu kekau TLA that has matured like myself. Momo, Mary Lou. There is always people behind the scenes that drives this.
Thank you.
And I would like to say something. So I had two little sisters, one with a surname Dubo and the other one with a surname Duboni. So in their journey of life, after traveling internationally, they decided to come to Tonga. And long story short, up and downs, running life, they found this place. And in their own very good time, they met at the Ahine Pelupetao. Ai whaia ki whakahoha i ha hingoa. Tēnā e whaki mai ai hingoa he ke lawa family o Alakia. Therefore, this place is named Naughty Rubies. Naughty, as it is in nautical, not many people would realize, and rubies, the very stone that everyone in life would like to have. So here we go. We're here to celebrate what has been achieved and not achieved. Dako whakamalo. Ikaya halia e whiu ke watu ke everyone that were behind the scenes. To make Naughty Rubies the place perhaps to visit because of what they're doing behind the scenes. Congratulations to Miss Naughty Rubies Lavender.
Wow. Teke babao. Ala ka ni.
I love it. I love it.
Teke tola.
That God sent. It gave the true owner of Nordi Rubies to reach out to the other owners. No piousness or anything, but it's about reaching out. At the end of the day, it is about reaching out. So here we go. Another nice stories. So the very lavender that represented Nordi Ruby's grandparents happens to be with us for a long time, with my parents, Daniela Laporta, and rest in peace. So all in all, I guess what I'm trying to say is it's just so amazing. Everyone in Tonga is somehow connected. Big times and all small, we are connected. So my stories is kind of deviated, but may I come back to the choreographers. The two Eli's. Moy and of course Melalua. No words can express how much we appreciate your leadership and assistance. It is about creativity, isn't it?
Yes.
And you've done it so well. And some of us around this room participated in key areas. One was an MC, one was a judge, one was just a table keeper, and one accompanying people. How wonderful and talented you people are. And I can only imagine the future. It is about getting the right people to run the show. It is about getting the community to accept reality, and it is about us loving and caring for each other and work together as a team and move whatever we believe in. We've read about majority being successful because of thriving and driving what they believe in. We're here to say that we care and we'll do our best to support where we can. I would like to acknowledge the backbones and the supporters of this case, Kevin Mafileo, your staff at Nordi Rubies, Tita, Miss Helen. Thank you. I'm sorry that I don't have the list of all the names that contributed, but note that our thoughts and prayers are with everyone else. Indeed, there's always Momo, the very mighty loud Momo that we grew up. Thank you for bringing back the knowledge. And there is Mary Lou. Mary, I've been waiting for when you two can come and spend some nights with me, but I guess I just have to stay strong with my prayers. Meanwhile, welcome to Nordi Rubies again. To all members that supported TLA, Dream, Strategic Thinking, implementations, and caring. We can only give you one statement. Be the true people that we would love you to be. Thrive it, for we will support you to the end of the line. Dua Ofa Pitahine and all the rest.
Malapit ito. Kutu mahalo kay kuntun mamari dito. Kay ni dito may akay. Cô lại thấy đi Miss Galaxy kalau venta.
Music.
Ah, ni Leo.
Kali kita kona kita beli ani.
Este ya, ni fire leva ni kifo ihiva, karaoke. Petaleni toton wene misi. Kita fanong wangi sai jadi kau.
Chắc entertain hệ Tina Time. Lấy cái chào cồn à. Chào mà thế à, mua phụ ý à, sẽ ta nào đi mồn đi à. Gió trồ. Mà lo. Awe, thank you. Bele olahi, ai ke nofi, goia.
Cái cái thay đi cô phải với các cái sự kiện nào rồi thì mình TLA một cái phải là khi mà còn anh nên phải malo cái bule exeta tu bonio cái pega Tiffany một tôi nghe câu ngào ấy ai lo chú biết sao loto maulalo bia moi ofa tại vì phim manako này là cái màu phai kiểu cả cao mấy mì moto cái pha phô phô ngại không mong ta Ue trabalho com FIFA malo de design que mai le lao momo malo ofa Ada FIFA malo di boy moy Thank you for everything boy kung pantalinity Thank you moy Ada FIFA malo que eu mo hair designer Mary Lou tại bên kia Iloa Malo Ate fa malo ni ki he ko makeup artist Ela ni ngo pe ge heni Malo apito ka pe ge to nga ko supporters
Hello.
Ko pe ki ya malo
Mama cái chào con à.
Malo apito. Tau tatali peke ni aiki foi hiva taha ko ini. Pea lea whaka osi lewa o ku whema o he Palestine TLA. Wah ki lea whaka malo. Pea ko ni lawa ko ia. Pea tau tuk sisio te peka ke vin peto e moho mai koa e tau CP. Mai tau me moa.
Music, play. Kata bola.
Ko ne hiva.
Wait. Oh, sorry. Ngala hiba Galaxy. Pakai hiba ke leo lang. Thank you Miss Galaxy.
When the rain is blowing in your face And the whole world is on your case I could offer you a warm embrace To make you feel my love Raining shadows under stars above And there's no one there to dry your tears I could hold you for a million years To make you feel my love I know you haven't made your mind up yet But I will never do you wrong I know it from the moment that we met No doubt in my mind where you belong I go hungry, I go black and blue
Go time.
And I go blowing down the avenue No, there's nothing that
give you my love. Nothing that I wouldn't do.
Go, Miss Galaxy.
To make you
Một trà đi mình sẽ cải phá cái gì đó Thank you. Malo.
After the president.
Mahalo pika, ko tui mahalo ko siat ka Riri. Ka Riri mo nakasang. Sorry, be fui hangip na fiere la ka hamea.
Why
Ka
not?
hamea mo na mahela yo fiere. Fifia be Riri.
But Momo too.
Oh, okay. Momo will say a word.
Something to do with seniority.
Ata pe mai ka le fiere.
No, Momo like
Hello, thank you so much. Makapating kaya Makufuy Lope. Kaya tayo na ko Lope Pao o tayo ni Tuita. I'm sorry ko halak play. And also Freddy. Kaya makimoto ko tapi pehe ki committee TLA. Of tao he ni kaya feel ko celebrate Miss Naughty Ruby. Nagkakamet yung leya kaya ko feel kaya ko congratulate ya ya loko ano to kaya ho ngahi patongia hoko at kaya ko nga tabi po ni kaya ako no ko yung mga kaya lapo to may kalaw niya tuya elam mo So you have to make yourself be available 24/7. Kata tu pe committee ke lele mai ke pula mai pe ko e pompongi ke poki e baka ya pi e maui ke ko atua ma o. Kako Famaloin, I would like to thank you Daphne and Seta for putting this up. Malo Alpito. And I'm glad it's over because I'm stressed over the stress and I'm a sponsor. Blame it on you! Okay, I'm in the middle of doing the costume. Please don't call me. Call me later. No, please, ni. Calm down now, stress. We about how to take care. We are God be with you. Kaya ko natula o Miss Galaxy. Ya ko mautari pe me ako to pe. Ya ko hangko lao. Ne ona mautaki yuwa. Kana mau si finga lo to lang pe ke lava ne ngo tangi a misiana no place. Kai ke finga pe ke pakakaka to patongia. Thank you community. Oh, next year ma okay ai takiwa ya te stress out ya pati. Ai tu tak. Mata ka. Ko ina ko saya to ta ha ke ma pe pa le. Ko cha au ni ma ya pi ni se ni ji ko ke ma. Ei, da ke ha au ya
happy cocktail tama eh. Apa ano yan? Wani may wine eh. Oh, I thought ako may ako niyo free. Oh my God. Pero happy ni. Huwag mo ako apis niya. Yeah, thank you so much. It's that toki. Ang apel to kuhuwa, but overall, thank you so much. For two part is Miss Galaxy. Kaya kung kataw ko kaya, tapon ng utuk tayo sa Ako opalaya to motor kapte malaki baba wai. Kau sa tapate tayo baba. Artito. Thank you. Ofat at motor opake ko ni TLA kapela ko na bihen. Behe ke palestini kataw fu. Tuwa pa matala ka ke fana mo mga tiri. Ako ko na po tuki ko ke mate ko. Lagi all God bless. Kinakalakalero.
God bless.
Pamoy tawi. Pamoy ako la imata. O te pahare ai hata ko o sia ka pa mo ta ko na wa ka tai mi.
Oh yeah, malo opito.
Iyo, no more. Talk entertain during the at the dinner time. Thank you.
Malo opito. Koreren te foi.
Con này ospite palestini của chào là bài. Alo, Kimanifi. Hello, I can say me. No. Ai có ai? For everybody else.
How mai ke te au ke o atu pe ki le fa malo no au pito pe ko me ni ta ha please raise your hand.
Amen. Os minute ta hai nai.
Ni ke fa malo ko nga ia tu e ka me pa ko to ato nga ladies association ai fa malo la ki te ki mo wa ke se ta pa ki fo ki ani ki fa afe ma o lunga au pito ke te ki ma o to me, this is the first time ever que eu iloi oku experience na pini oku invite my osi Galaxy oku ma fan like our sponsors. But to the sponsors, when it comes to ground behind the fakakalauni ake na umisi akalauni Miss Galaxy. Que lava que promote que engage with everyone in our society. So thank you so much, Setamoni. Okay, que mahalea fe unga que o que famaloia que moa. Ua famalo to all the sponsors. The supporters of Miss Nori Ruby, the fan of Nori Rubies, Nori Rubies, and families and friends, any contestants who are actually here, the top 5 that I heard, Riri, Tasha, those who actually make the effort, the supporters, etc. Tita and everyone, thank you so much for all of these. And I hope that this is not just the end. This is just the beginning for everyone.
Thank you.
Next week I will see you in Navajo Miss Galaxy.
Wow.
Enjoy your night, everyone.
Music, Malo.
Có thể một họ bà về từ cũng mẹ tàu hồ ta mẹ đẹp mi. Cái tàu ta về tàu pha si hiện cả tàu về ta hay ni về tài lo to tài tụ à. Có vậy, cái mong hoa ai cái mong disco về. Ni, có không cái tàu tàu ăn kia còn tôi bao cái. Oh, malo
Era penía en el mano que mo uy.
Mau cái tàu đi proclama về DJ. Tai mà kỳ fast. Kung may an mahalo kung may na to na panong kay Mary.